video, we will learn to prove sine formula that we generally use to solve many problems. And today I came with this sine formula, the proof of the sine formula. Okay? If a triangle ABC is given to you, a triangle ABC is given to you, where ABC represent the magnitude of the sides of the opposite vertices of the triangle, then you have to prove that sine of angle A upon A, sine of angle B upon B, and sine of angle C upon C are equal. What does this mean? It means if you have given this triangle and the vector A which represent the side BC, vector B which represent the side CA, and vector C which represent the side AB, right? So the magnitude of this side BC is A, magnitude of this side BC, CA is B, and magnitude of this side AB is C. Why these are named like this one? Because this side is opposite to the angle A, this side AC is opposite to the angle B, and this side AB is opposite to the angle C. Now we have to prove this. Sine of angle A upon A is equal to sine of angle B upon B is equal to sine of angle C upon C. We'll know that in a triangle, if the sides of the triangle are taken in the cyclic order, that is, if you take side BC, side CA, and side AB in the cyclic order like this one, okay, then the sum of the vectors will be equal to 0, right? Now what we have to do is firstly write this. What do the vector BC represent? This is represented by vector A plus this is vector B plus this is vector C is equal to 0. Now what you have to do is pre-multiply by vector A, pre-multiply, pre-cross multiply, pre-cross multiplying by A. If you multiply by A in this one, what you get? A cross A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to 0, or A cross 0, right? So if you multiply this, what you get? A cross A plus A cross B plus A cross C is equal to 0, right? We know that I cross I equal to 0, right? In the same manner, A cross A equal to 0, right? Why? Because we know that A cross A is equal to क्या होता है हमारे पास? A vector magnitude of A vector again and sine theta, right? And if this, the angle between this is 0 degree, right? 0 degree. So this will be completely 0, right? So this will become 0 plus A cross B plus A cross C is equal to 0, which implies A cross B is equal to minus of A cross C, or we can say A cross B is equal to C cross A. Name this as 2. Now what you have to do is post multiply by vector B. post cross multiplying by vector b, we get what we get? We get a plus b plus c cross b is equal to 0 cross b. If you multiply this, what you get? A cross b plus b cross b plus c cross b is equal to 0. Right? So after this, you can see this will become 0. So a cross b is equal to minus of b cross c cross b. If you interchange this, the sign will also change. So a cross b is equal to b cross c. Name this as 3. From 2 and 3, what you can observe is from 2 and 3. What you can observe is a cross b is equal to b cross c is equal to c cross a. If you take magnitude of all these vectors, taking magnitude, what you get is a cross b modulus of a cross b is equal to b cross c का मॉडुलस हो जाएगा हमारे पास is equal to modulus of c cross a. After this, one thing that you have to understand here is the angle between the vector c and vector v is this angle, right? V and c is angle this, and this is phi minus c, right? Angle between the vector b and vector c is this one, that is pi minus a. And angle between vector c and vector a is this one, pi minus angle b, right? So here you can see we will use here this one formula, that a cross b is equal to magnitude of a magnitude of b sine theta, right? So this is the angle between a and b, right? So this will become mod of a mod of b sine. And what will be the angle here? What will the angle here? The angle here will be, what is the angle between a and b? So between a and b we have angle pi minus c, right? Pi minus c. So this is pi minus c is equal to, in a similar manner we will have b mod of c sine. What is the angle between b and c? The angle between b, this is b, and c is pi minus a. Pi minus a. Pi minus a is equal to c mod of a sine pi minus b, right? Now what you have to do is, here we know that sine of pi minus c will be pi sine c, because the angle will lie in the second quadrant, and in second quadrant sine is always positive. So this will be a, and we have given modulus of a is a only, and modulus of b is b only, and this is sine c is equal to b c sine a is equal to c, we have here written wrong, this will be a, right? C a sine b. Now what you have to do is divide the entire equation by a b c. Dividing by a b c both side, right? What will get? A b sine c upon a b c is equal to b c sine a upon a b c is equal to c a sine B upon ABC. CA to CA will get cancelled out, BC to BC will get cancelled out, and AB to AB will get cancelled out. So what we'll get, sine C upon C is equal to sine A upon A is equal to sine B upon B. If you will arrange this one, what you get, sine A upon A is equal to sine B upon B is equal to sine C upon C. So in this manner, we have proved the sine formula for a triangle, right? So what you have done here, we will take a quick recap of it. Okay, we have given a triangle in which we have to prove sine A upon A, sine B upon B, and sine C upon C. Okay, where A, B, and C represent the magnitude of the sides opposite to the angles A, B, C, right? तो A के अपोजिट में हमारे पास जो है दिस इज A, opposite of B we have B, opposite of C we have C, right? What we have done is, we know that in any triangle, if the sides are taken in the cyclic order, then the sum of all the vectors will be 0. What will be it? It will be 0. Okay, now that one thing that we have to use is pre-cross multiplying by the vector A, and again post cross multiplying by the vector B. We got here A cross B is equal to C cross A, and here we got A cross B is equal to B cross C. Then from 2 and 3, what we can observe is all these three are equal. So after taking the magnitude of it in all the sides, right, what we get is A B sine pi minus C, B C sine pi minus A, and C A sine pi minus B. Okay, so here we have magnitude of A is A, magnitude of B is B, and sine pi minus C will get pi sine C. In the same manner, we have simplified this, and after that we have divided it by A, B, C. So what we get is sine C upon C is equal to sine A upon A is equal to sine B upon B, and that we have arranged it in the proper manner. So this is the proof of the sine formula, this one sine formula, right? Sine formula. I hope you all have understood this clearly. Thank you for watching.